Hey everyone, welcome back to my KDP Low Content channel. So guys, today's video where I am going to discuss with you how to earn more revenue from a single book. How to earn more revenue from a single book. So if you are looking for my video at the very first time, so please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon when I can share new videos with you, that you can notify me. So let's go Amazon KDP marketplace, and where I am discuss about game changing book niche, where you earn more revenue from a single book. So our game changing book niche is measures for kids ages 4 to 8. So this is our game changing book niche, measures for kids ages 4 to 8. So here already review is 3,328. So obviously this is a profitable niche, and we can create copyright and trademark. So there is no copyright, there is no trademark here. So you can work safely with this type of niche. So you can easily earn more revenue from this type of book. And here her BSR rank is 5,779, and we also check this revenue per month. Here per day sales 39 and per month sales 386, 586. So huge amount of revenue. This author generate per month. So you can try to work this book and earn per month like this revenue. So if you have liked my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell icon, and share my video with your friends and family. Please like, comment and share my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you all.